like revisiting another little place on the river in central PA. This is called Elliott's Park. And of course they like the Bigfoot theme here. It's a cute little It's kind of cool. They have a little, it's very weathered, but it's Elliott's Weather Rock. He's carrying something. Oh, and he just landed on the top of the bridge. Pretty cool. It's pretty. Another little calming spot. Cool. And we can look in here. Little bear. This little guy. And you can kind of see there's some things in the window. Ooh, this is open. And this is in loving memory of James and Dory Chrisman and Raymond and Alice Fargo. It's kind of a cool little place. And there's our infamous Bigfoot. Big believers in Bigfoot here. I'm not sold on it yet. Thank you for watching and joining me at a early morning at Elliott's Park in central Pennsylvania along the Susquehanna.